Hello?
Hi, may I speak with Casey Becker?
Yeah?
My name is from the Vehicle Processing Department. We're calling you in regards to your year, make, model. Are you an owner of that vehicle?
I think you have the wrong number.
Okay, thank you and have a good day.
It happens. Take it easy. Hello?
This is a courtesy call in regards to your warranty coverage options for your vehicle.
Why'd you dial it again?
These programs will help protect you in the event of breakdown or mechanical failure.
Not interested. Bye now.
Our records indicate you still have not activated the coverage program available for your make/model.
What?
It is important we get you the information while we are able to offer programs without a vehicle inspection.
They've got 900 numbers for that. See ya. Hello?
Are you interested in going over your insurance options?
Who is this?
I will just need to verify a few things, and then I can get you over to a coverage specialist who can go over all your coverage options.
I don't think so.
Our records indicate your vehicle currently does not have a coverage plan. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it looks like based upon the information you provided, we still have some programs available.
I'm getting ready to watch a video.
We have plenty of videos that provide all the details of this extended warranty. Is there a particular video that would be to your liking?
Just a scary movie.
We have several videos that fit into that category. Before we go over your insurance options, I'll need to ask you a few more questions. What's a good estimate for the mileage on that vehicle now?
I don't know.
I have to bring a senior coverage specialist on the line to go over all your options. Is that alright?
Why? Gonna ask me out?
Are you interested in scheduling a meeting with the specialist?
No.
Can you verify your name, please?
Why do I know my name?
We would like to provide some details about what you can do with your vehicle in the event of an untimely end.
What did you say?
We would like to provide some details about what we can do with your vehicle if you choose to purchase another one.
That's not what you said.
Accidents are unpredictable. Our programs are designed to help you in the event of a car-related accident.
I gotta go now.
Are you still interested in going over your insurance options?
I don't think so.
We have plenty of programs to go over.
Gotta go.
Geico can save you 50%.
Yes?
Or more on car insurance.
What do you want?
We've been trying to contact you on the vehicle's extended warranty.
Dial someone else, okay?
Ma'am, are you afraid of discussing your insurance plan?
No. Bored. Listen, asshole. Is this some kind of joke to you?
These ads are a real nuisance. But what's more of a nuisance? Not having reliable insurance on your car.
I'm 2 seconds from calling the cops.
Police officers with great car insurance.
What do you want?
To go over your insurance options.
Who's there? Who's there? I'm calling the police. Ah! Look, enough is enough. You had your fun. Now leave me alone or else.
No threat you give will be as bad as driving without an insurance plan.
Look, my boyfriend's gonna be here any second and he'll be pissed when I tell him.
You crashed his car and you couldn't pay it off? So with our 3-step program, you'll be sure to find the insurance agency that's right for you.
I lied. I do have a boyfriend and he'll be here any second and your ass better be gone.
Our job isn't to find who's more responsible for an accident. Our job is to pay for the repairs of your boyfriend's crashed car.
That's right, he's big, he plays baseball, and he'll beat the shit out of you.
Does your boyfriend have car insurance?
And I lied before, but I'm telling the truth now, I promise.
We would love to have a talk with him about his insurance plan.
So you better leave.
We've been trying to contact your boyfriend Steve about your vehicle's extended warranty.
Ah!
Accidents don't just occur in the car, Miss Becker.
Where are you?
We're in good hands with Allstate.
Please don't hurt him.
Warranties aren't meant to hurt you. They're meant to pay off any non-vehicle related accidents.
Why are you doing this?
We've been trying to contact you
No.
about your vehicle's extended warranty.
No.
Our services are only meant to help.
What kind of warranty?
Step 1 in our 3-step program is turn off the porch light. Close the blinds.
Please don't do this.
Warranties will greatly benefit you in the event of an accident.
No.
What if you drop your transmission?
Please, no.
What if your timing belt breaks?
No.
What if you turn into a Prius?
No.
Have you ever gotten an extended warranty?
I don't know.
Because warranties are invalid if used beyond their intended purpose.
Please stop.
We would like to register you. First, we need to ask a few questions.
I can't think.
Could you please give us the date of your birth?
December 20th, 1996.
Thank you, Miss Becker. Now we can begin the survey.
No.
The survey is only 2 questions long.
Please go away. Please leave us alone.
Were you helped by any of our clients in the past?
Leave us alone.
Which one of our clients helped you fill out the survey?
Jason.
I'm sorry. Jason resigned 5 weeks ago.
No.
It's Dick that helped you.
No, it was Jason, I swear.
It's okay, they're both brothers. So it's pretty easy to mix up.
No, I know it was Jason. I called him 20 damn times.
That's a lot of times to call someone. Hey, where have I heard that before?
You tricked me.
Miss Becker, you put Steve on the phone. I'd like to talk to him about his invalid warranty. Final question. Are you ready?
Leave me alone, please.
We're almost done. Just one more question to complete the survey.
What?
What car insurance?
What?
You're registered for 2 different car insurances, Geico and AAA. Which one are you no longer covered by?
Don't make me. I can't. I won't.
Geico can save you 50% or more on car insurance. It can't save your life, Casey.
Casey! Casey! Where is she? I can hear her. Jesus, I can hear her. She's here!
Tell me how we got here. I see that you're not there. Tried to save you, warn you, keep you alive. Tried to stop you, but you paid the price. Tell me it's a nightmare, and you ain't going nowhere. Tried to save you, warn you, keep you alive. Tried to stop you, but you paid the price.